I like potatoes.
After all is said and done, isn't it so funny how you know me better than I know myself?
Hello, friends and best friends. Welcome to Formspring Friday.
Formspring Friday.
Formspring Friday.
Formspring Friday. How does Formspring Friday work, you ask? You ask the questions.
We answer them.
So let's get started. What is your favorite member of Jurassic Express?
Luchasaurus.
What is the square root of pi? No, nobody knows the square root of...
1.77425.
I stand corrected.
How did you know Jess is the one?
Because being with her is so natural and easy. What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow? What do you think she means? African or European swallow?
What is your favorite quality about each other? My favorite quality about him is his smile, definitely his beard, his sense of humor, how genuine and authentic he is as a person. I just like everything about him.
I like her butt. You're the most wholesome power couple. Also, my question is, do you have a favorite cryptid?
The Phoenix.
Do you miss Buddy? Hey, Buddy!
Hi,
What's
buddy.
up, Buddy? You're such a good dog. You're such a good dog. My Buddy?
Buddy was our family dog growing up and I miss him very, very much.
What is life like in the new house?
I thought you were gonna do the laundry.
I thought you were gonna do the laundry. Well, I guess we have no clean clothing. What is your next trip to Disney? Tomorrow!
No.
We just bought a house.
Yeah. What has been your favorite quarantine experience so far? When I was dancing with Justin and then he fell and it was really funny.
Are you out of potatoes yet? If yes, how do you plan to survive? If no, can you share? I'm out.
Jesse doesn't share food!
How many kids do you want?
As many as we can get in one try.
What are your kids' names gonna be? We have some names picked out for any future children way down the line. Layman J,
Remy Thomas,
Emmeline Pearl,
Elsie Bell,
Thomas Rexford. Can I be the godmother? If Tammy is the godmother, can I be the favorite aunt to the said child? Can only grandmothers help decorate the nursery? Are you practicing making babies? Can we just pump the brakes a little bit? We just bought a house! Are you scared? No. Is your house haunted? No. What was your longest drive?
When I was 18, we drove 13 hours from Chicago to Pennsylvania.
Probably about 12 hours every time I drove down to South Carolina when my sister lived there. What's your favorite vacation spot? Mine was Disney.
And mine's the beach.
What's your second? Mine was Niagara Falls.
Mine was also Niagara Falls.
Do you want a vacation with me? Sure. Are you paying? What is your favorite part about being a homeowner?
The amount of space we have for all of our awesome stuff.
Have y'all fought since being quarantined? I don't even like potatoes. Are you worried about the world's future?
A little bit. Do you like peas?
Wow. What's your favorite flower?
Tulips.
Have you ever been stung by a bee?
Yes.
Have you ever broken a bone? No. What is the first thing you'll do when the quarantine is lifted?
Fresh air.
Sunshine! Hey, do you want to go rewatch the Tiger King documentary again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Like that? Was that really dumb? It was a little dumb.
Have y'all fought since being... Have y'all fought?
Do I say that? Do you say that? Do I say that?
Nope.
I love potatoes. Boop, boop, boop. I like his butt. No.
If there's one thing that you could say...
You're right?
Yeah.
Okay.